Okay, welcome to the Winnebago Leisure Seeker control panel. On the left hand side we have our 240 volt controls where it shows our voltage, which is 240 is present at the moment, how many amps we're pulling, okay, and our circuit breaker. The things that work off this side are our microwave, our air conditioner, our battery charger, and our 240 power points. The fridge will also work off this. We have our individual switch in the middle here, okay, which we can actually turn off our 240 power, similar to how a circuit breaker works. We want to leave that on manual mode so it's always in the active position. This side is our 12 volt, so we can isolate our 12 volt batteries with this little toggle switch at the bottom here. Okay, that's off and on. Even when we're plugged into 240 power, we need the 12 volt side on because all of our lights, range hood, bathroom, TV antenna, 12 volt for fridge, all work off this 12 volt side. So right now we can see our battery is looking at about 13 volts, okay? And with all of our lights on, we're pulling almost 10 amps. If we start turning off some of those lights, it'll start to go down for us as well. We want to make sure that that battery is sitting above or around 12 volts, okay? That's how we're going to make sure that it's healthy. How that charges is when the truck is driving and also when we plug into 240 power, okay? If something's not working on the 12 volt side, we've got our automotive blade fuses just here, which we can replace, okay? Just on the other side here is our hot water service switch. Okay, this works off the gas system. We turn the button down, make sure our gas bottle is on, wait about 15 minutes and we have hot water coming through to our shower and washing up. The last switch, which we're going to show you, is on top of the range hood here, and that's for our water pump. So in order to get pressure to come up, we need to have that on and we'll have pressure coming through our taps. Okay, it'll be hot once we have that.